Oh, I haven't counted it. There's, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 of us.
So there's my mother, Nikki, my brother, Peter.
I'm Peter Powell.
Myself and my partner, Brett.
I'm Brett Chatelain. I am the black sheep of the family.
My nephew, Connor and Farah.
My youngest son, his wife, and 3 of my grandkids.
It's a huge swath of ages and experiences.
We have the youngest on the ship. We have the oldest, which is my mother at 92. She's sweet, but boy, she can be feisty.
Well, my actual name is Vashti Key, but I go by the name of Nikki. One of my friends' daughter was going on semester at sea, and they were leaving from Seattle, which is where I live half the year. And I went down to their Bon Voyage party, and I came straight from the ship to my husband's office, and I said, I know what we're doing next year.
The first time she came on this, she just got hooked.
I believe this is her 11th voyage.
I just love it. I love seeing the kids. They're so effervescent at this time in their lives. They're seeing the world as it actually is, not as it's reported on our newspapers. I just think it opens up the world to them.
Coming on here, whether you're a lifelong learner, faculty, student, you're realizing the world is huge. She believes in that so strongly. Having the learning and being together.
You don't even realize at the time, but you're all having these very unique experiences communally, and it does bring you together.
I thought there would be a huge division between the students and the lifelong learners. There isn't, and everybody's been so nice to us.
You will truly meet friends that'll be friends of yours for the rest of your life.
It is amazing, these friendships that we still have 14 years later, and they're tight.
College kids that are now growing up with children. You will make friends that are lifelong friends, and you don't get that on a cruise ship. You're all spending such a big block of time together that you really tend to bond with like-minded people who want to keep learning in life.
From the lifelong learner standpoint, the seniors also have a thirst for knowledge.
The lifelong learner seminars are wonderful. I think I've learned a lot from them.
And then, of course, when you get to port, one of the funnest things about Semester C is that they stop for 5 days. That's when there's no classes, but you get to go learn the real-life class out in the field.
I don't care how nice the cruise line is, nobody offers an experience like this where literally, when this ship docks in a port, it is there for 5 days. It just gives you a chance to really get to know the country.
Any other cruise, and we took a lot of cruises, were for 2 weeks, but this is for 2 months. A lot of our friends would say, how can you be away for 2 months? It's easy when you get aboard.
She's super family oriented, so anytime she's around family, she's as happy as she can get. So to have us do this voyage with her at 92 years old, she's elated. She started asking us about this voyage literally over a year ago.
I love it so much, and I knew that they'd all love it. I get to see my great-grandchildren, which I don't get to see that often. And then, of course, I love being with my sons. I'm a very blessed woman.